Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're ready, don't stall on setup. First, confirm the app or assistant has mic permission and you're in a quiet place. That reduces noise and improves matching. Once done, open the Hum to Search tool and tap record. Hum the core melody for about 10 to 15 seconds, keeping tempo steady and avoiding words. You want the tune's contour and rhythm captured because the system compares pitch patterns and timing, not lyrics, to find matches. Now refine how you hum so the search engine can match it accurately. Aim for the melody's contour, meaning the sequence of higher and lower notes, rather than perfect pitch, because algorithms use relative intervals. Make sure your tempo is steady. If you're unsure, tap a simple beat before you start to lock rhythm. Try 2 or 3 takes, switching between humming, whistling, or lightly singing the tune. These variations increase the chance of a correct match. When the system finish by checking the return matches and listening to short previews, you'll usually see the best matches ranked first. Once you confirm the correct song, save it, add to a playlist, or share the result. If the app returns poor results, don't panic. Re-record in a quieter spot, slow your tempo slightly, or emphasize the central hook of the melody. That troubleshooting step fixes most problems because cleaner input yields stronger pattern matches and better search accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.